Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Manje ngifisa sizwini likaNkulunkulu elitholakala kuGenesis ku chapter 18. Don't forget kunenkonzo uNkulunkulu akayenza eqaleni kwa chapter 18 uma eyoziveza kuAbraham. Now khona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo in verse 16. Amadoda lawa uAbraham asewanikeze ukudla. Theme eqeda ukwanikeza ukudla wawanikeza umusa kulamadoda khona uNkulunkulu kodwa uAbraham bengazi. Ebese uNkulunkulu ethi kuAbraham uphi unkosikazi wakho uSara? Athi omunye usendlini nangu lapha etendeni. Ebesethi uNkulunkulu ngalesi sikhathi ngonyaka ozayo. Lalela, ngalesi sikhathi ngonyaka ozayo unkosikazi wakho uyobe esegona umntwana. Olimini likaNkulunkulu kuphuma ukuphila. Uthi ngonyaka ozayo ngalesi sikhathi nkosikazi wakho wena oyitshela ukuthi usemdala nawe ozitshela ukuthi awusenawo amandla, mina Jehova ngithi ngonyaka ozayo uyobe segone umntwana. Verse 16 athi, then the man set out from there and they looked down towards Sodom, and Abraham went with them. The Lord said, shall I hide from Abraham what I'm about to do, seeing that Abraham shall surely become a great and a mighty nation? All the nations of the earth shall be blessed in him. Lalela khona into engiyithandayo. uAbraham uyabaphelezela. uAbraham uthi seniyahamba, ngicela nami ukuhamba kanye nani, ngisacela ukunikhipha enjeni, ngisacela ukuniphelezela. Uthi mebaphelezela ebese uNkulunkulu ehleba nalamadoda ahamba nawo. Yo, khona lento engifuna ukuya kuyona. Akuhambe noNkulunkulu nawe. Akudecide ukuthi angazi kwenzakalani okwamanje emshadweni, kubantwana bami, emsebenzini, empilweni yami, kodwa ngoba ngiyakwazi wena Nkosi, ngoba ngike ngahlala nawe Jehova namandla, ngike ngakubona wenza imangaliso, okwamanje I'm confused, okwamanje I'm upset, okwamanje I'm whatever. Bengisacela ukukuphelezela. Awukube isilima uphelezela uNkulunkulu. Awukube isilima uthi Nkosi angikwazi okucelile ngabantwana bami, kodwa ngicela ukukuphelezela usayokwenza umsebenzi kubona. Nkosi angikwazi okucelile ngomshado wami, kodwa ngicela ukukuphelezela usayokwenza umsebenzi. Nkosi angikwazi okucelile ngomsebenzi okunike wona, kodwa ngicela ukukuphelezela. Nkosi angikwazi okucelile ngempilo yami, kodwa ngicela ukukuphelezela. That's the word for the day. Ngicela ukuphelezela uNkulunkulu. Uyazi uphelezela umuntu awazi kahle hle ukuthi kuyokwenziwani ngale nokuthi kuyapi. Uthe ngicela ukuphelezela. Angimina oyokwenza into, mina ngiphelezela wena. There is your word. Nkosi ngicela ukukuphelezela. Nkosi ngicela ukukuphelezela. Accompany the Lord. Nkosi ngicela ukukuphelezela. Akumphelezele uNkulunkulu empilweni yakho. Ake umphelezele uNkulunkulu kulomshado wakho. Ake umphelezele uNkulunkulu kubantwana bakho. Ake umphelezele uNkulunkulu nasempilweni yakho. Akumphelezele uNkulunkulu. Uthi Nkosi ngicela ukuphelezela wena ngoba mina ngiyazi le ndlela. Awukuthi Nkosi ngicela ukukuphelezela. Sho njalo uAbraham, ngiyayithanda mina le ndoda. Bese uNkulunkulu eyahleba. Hlebele lamadoda ahamba nawo. Then the Lord says, shall I hide from Abraham what I'm about to do? Ngimfihleleni uAbraham lokhu engifuna ukuyokwenza. Khona amadoda akwazi ukuhamba noNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu ashawe isazela athi angikwazi ukukufihlela le ndaba. Khona amakhosikazi akwazi ukuhamba noNkulunkulu athi mayisehamba noNkulunkulu athi uNkulunkulu angikwazi ukukufihlela lento. Uyabona ithandwa zami nginemfihlakalo ejulile la ukuthi ukuba uAbraham akabaphelezelanga, ukuba uAbraham akahambanga nabo, kunezinto uNkulunkulu abengeke amvezele zona moya ongcwele. No. Trust the process. Uma unqaba ukumphelezela, khona izinto angeke akwazi ukukuvezela zona. No. Abantu abangizwa. Uyazi khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukukutshela zona usahleli phansi egcekeni ngaphansi komuthi. Khona iconversation ekhulumeka kahle uma sihleli phansi komuthi sidla. Kodwa khona enye engizoyigodla ngengikwazi ukuxoxela yona ngoba khona ngengikwazi ukuyixoxa sihleli phansi. Number 1, khona ngengikwazi ukuyixoxa ngihleli kini. Yes, uNkulunkulu must take you out of your comfort zone, and uNkulunkulu must begin a journey with you ngoba khona into afuna ukukuvezela yona. My God. Trust the process. Write the word down. Trust the process, for the Lord is about to reveal something so great. Trust the process, for the Lord is about to reveal something so great in my life. Trust the process, for the Lord is about to reveal something so great in my life. Methembe uNkulunkulu. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu as Abraham was walking with them, uNkulunkulu turns around and he looks at his men and he asks the man and he says to them, shall we hide this from him? Shall we not reveal this? That's the word. Trust the process. Trust the process, for the Lord is about to reveal something so great in your life. Khona izinto uJehova azokufundisa zona kodwa kumele usuke endlini. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu azokuvezela zona kumele usuke enkosikazi. Khona izinto azokwenzela zona kumele usuke ngaphansi komuthi. You've got to walk. You've got to do the journey so that the Lord reveals. Trust the process, for the Lord is about to reveal something so great in your life. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu in verse 17. Shall I hide this from Abraham? Simfihlele yini? Now, verse 18 is very important. Seeing that Abraham shall become a father of a great nation. That's khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukufihlela zona because uNkulunkulu knows who you are becoming in the future. Wait. Let me say this again. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukufihlela zona because he knows who you are becoming in the future. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukuyihide from you because in the future you are becoming the CEO of this company, so the keys will always be with you. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukufihlela zona because in the future kumele zibuzwe kuwena. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukufihlela zona because in the future only you will possess those things. Ukuthi abantu abakazi, ukuthi izwa liboni, ukuthi your biggest bickerers, your biggest enemies and your biggest fighters and your biggest haters have not yet been revealed into the truth. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukufihlela zona. He says in verse 18, seeing that Abraham will become a great nation, I must reveal this to him. Kumele azi kumanje, kumele aqonde kumanje, kunama secrets uNkulunkulu azowaveza kuwena angeke abatshengisa abanye abantu. My God. Kunama consultations uNkulunkulu azokuvezela wona. Why? Because of who you are becoming in the future. You don't yet know. And that's okay. It has not yet been revealed. And that's okay. Athi umpostoli Pawuli athi izwe alikakayiboni inkazimulo uNkulunkulu ayibekile. Athi what no eye has seen, no ear has heard of what God has prepared for us. Trust the process. Methemba uNkulunkulu. Methemba uNkulunkulu. He says, I know what this man is going to become. In verse 19, well, in verse 18, he says, every nation shall be blessed in him. Kanti uNkulunkulu njani bafethu? Uyotshela indoda engenangane. Uyotshela indoda engakaze kukhale ngane egcekeni layo ibizwe ngayo. Uyotshela leyo ndoda ukuthi wena you will become a great nation. Uyotshela leyo ndoda ukuthi wena bonke abantu boyibusisa ngawe. Hayibo. Yabona mina ngizalwa umadakeni oyishaya inkinsela. Mina ngihlezi ngitshela abantu. Yabona mina ukhulu isalukwazi esangikhulisayo. Sasiyibiza ngomadakeni oyishaya inkinsela. Sasidayisa utshwala. Isiqatha, ugavini, mfula, intuthane, isiZulu. Sasidayisa utshwala. Sakhulisa abantwana baso sidayisa utshwala. Sangena emhlanganweni wenhliziyo engcwele kaJesu ekhaya kwethu la esazalwa khona sikhula khona. Nami uqobo lwami ekhaya sikhula besidayisa utshwala. Babefika abantu sibadayisela utshwala. Emzini wesalukwazi esasidayisa utshwala, nami uqobo lwami ngidayisa utshwala. Kwaphuma into uNkulunkulu ayikade ayihlela. Kodwa wayibuka ngehlo lenyama, wayengayitsheli konke kuphuma into enje emzini edayiswa khona utshwala. Yabona mangihleli nezinsizwa ngihlale bese ngixoxa ukuthi mina ngukhwane liyasikwa liyamila. Ngungqongqoza kosanini, umthungu wembenge ezincane. Ubheduka njengesona. Mahleli nezinsizwa, insizwa ibongo ngeyibongo, ithola ngegameko. Kodwa engifuna ukusho kwenu ukuthi abangakubonanga besabona lesa salikwazi esidayisa utshwala, esibosha ubusuku nemini, esiyolala ezitokisini, esiyohlala abantwana bengenamuntu, ngelinye ilanga kwaphuma umgcotshwa kaNkulunkulu. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu athi trust the process. Trust the process. For in the near future, I will do something so great. In the near future, khona izinto engiyozenza empilweni yakho. Abantu bangakubuki bakweye. Bangawubuka umndeni wakho bawudelele. Hasho njalo ngelinye ilanga uDavid. Sibe nguyini mina Nkosi? Athi nomndeni kaBaba. Athi be uyini? Athi nekhaya ngivela kulona. Athi beliyini? Athi lokuzaleka kwami. Athi bekuyini? Athi nabazali abangizalayo. Athi bebeyini? Kuba wona Nkosi ungangenzela umuso ngaka. Khona izimo ozaleke kuzona. Khona izimo ozalwe ngaphansi kwazo. Khona izimo okhulele kuzona. Kodwa uNkulunkulu namhlanje uthi kuwena ngezwi likaNkulunkulu kuAbraham athi you shall become a great nation. Athi izizwe ziyobusiseka ngawe. Athi khona izinto mina engengikwazi ukufihlela zona. Khona izinto engengikwazi ukukususa kuzona. Uyazi ithandwa zami, there are blessings that await you. There are fruits that are waiting for you. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu athe this is reserved for usibanibani. Zithi ingelosi, but Nkosi, how can you say this? Hey, awuhamba ufunda indaba kaSawuli noPawuli. Yazi uNkulunkulu ngiyamcabanga ngelinye ilanga mayimbuka nje uSawuli ebulala ibandla lakhe, athi uNkulunkulu ningakuthinti lokho yana kubekeni. Kuthiwa Nkosi sikushiyele bani ngoba nangu usibanibani uyakudinga. Athi uNkulunkulu ngizokunikeza le ndoda le. Kuthiwa Nkosi enganibulala ibandla le ndoda le. Athi uNkulunkulu kulungile phela. Okwamanje salibulala kodwa animazi ukuthi uzoba yini. Sithi ingelosi Nkosi mina we don't know what you're talking about. Hey thandwa zami. If people want to give up on you, let them do. If your family wants to give up on you, let them do. If your wife wants to give up on you, let her do. If your husband wants to give up on you, let her do. But whatever you do, don't give up on yourself, because God has never given up on you. My God, that's it. Uthi uNkulunkulu ngiyazi ukuthi izizwe isazoyibusisa ngazo. Ngiyazi abantu basazophila ngawe. Ngiyazi umndeni wakini usazoba ngcono ngawe. Ngiyazi uma wakho ohlele emqashweni ngelinye ilanga will live in a mansion. Ngiyazi ingane zakini iseyihlukene iphethwe lezi ayihlobo nalezi ezinye zidla ama drugs, kodwa mina ngiyakutshela ngeke ufe. Ngeke ufe. Umuzi wakini ungeyona imansion. Uyiqoqe zonke ingane zakini zahlala phansi zonke zabantu. Namhlanje umhlaba uyanihleka, abazali beni balele kobandayo bathi anisoze naphumelela. Kodwa ngithi mina egameni likaJesu elinamandla, elikwazi ukuphelelisa, elikwazi ukulungisa, elikwazi ukuqoqa, ngelinye ilanga uJehova yokunika amandla uyokwakha umuzi oyoqoqa zonke ingane zakini zonke. Nesezidla idakamizwa ngelinye ilanga ziyobuya zize ekhaya. uNkulunkulu akamlahli umuntu wakhe. uNkulunkulu akamtheli umuntu wakhe. Kasoze. Ngakho bhala kahle. Singelazi icebe nginalo. Ingakho bhala kahle. But I know the plans that I have. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu angeke akufihlele zona. noma kuthiwa ubethanda kanjani, kodwa ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi your alignment is to greatness. Yo, that's the word. My alignment is to greatness. You are aligned for this. For this I was born. For this you were saved. For this you have found mercy. You are aligned to greatness. Izwa likakaboni into uNkulunkulu azoyivusa kuwena. My God. Ubokuthathe ujeli, when you want to make jelly. Estolo uyayithenga isachet. It's a sachet, you know, oyithengayo. Ungene endlini, ubilisa amanzi, and you mix this. It's liquid. And umuntu ongazi lutho, and ukubona wenza lento, uyitshela ukuthi ngizoyiphuza lento, but ngizoyiphuza njengetiye ngoba iyashisa, and uyamtshela ukuthi no, wait, there's something that I'm making. Iyashisa, uzoyiphuza ngetiye, no, it's not. Okay, so ifake eglasini seyiphuza, no, ngeke. So idla ngespoon, awunto uyoyidla kanjani into nje spoon, bese uthi wait, trust the process. My alignment is to greatness. Trust the process. And notice this, from a sachet to liquid, from hot to cold, from liquid to jelly, solid. Abantu abakwazi. People do not know who you are. People do not even know who you are called to become. Why then ufuna ukuphila impilo yakho ngabantu? Why ufuna ukuncikisa impilo yakho komunye umuntu? Why people's opinion of you matters? They don't know you. You are not from them. Abana plan ngawe. Abana idea ngawe. Akubona bakulethe emhlabeni. Akubona bakunikeza ukuphila. Why then do you bother about them? Why does it matter? Why should you bother about other people's opinion? Why unikeza abantu amandla angaka phekwe empilo yakho? Why can't you trust God? Hlulwa yini ukumphelezela uThixo? Hlulwa yini ukulalela izwi lakhe elithi nginecebo elihle ngawe? Why ufuna ukushiya emsebenzini ngoba uthi abakuthandi? Why uthi ufuna ukushiya ngoba nakho abakunakekeli, abakwakhanga, abakwenzanga? Yo, thandwa zezulu. Mangasana uNkulunkulu athi namhlanje for 24 hours I'm not gonna do anything for you. Ngicela umuntu nomuntu ayifunela umuntu ozomenzela izinto. Ubani ozokunika umphefumulo ukuthi ukwazi ukuphefumula? Ubani ozotshela ingqondo yakho ukuthi njengamanje ke donsa umoya phefumula wena? Akekho. Hey thandwa zami, asikho isidalwa somuntu esingakwazi ukwenzela into ngaphandle kaNkulunkulu. Suka kumuntu, my God. That's the word. Phuma kubantu. Ngicela ithandwa zezulu. Phuma kumuntu, ayikho umuntu into angakwenzela yona. Phuma kumuntu, hlala uNkulunkulu. Phuma kumuntu. Don't live your life based on what people say about you. You know, some people get so upset. So and so doesn't talk to me. So and so has done something so bad. So and so hates me. So and so does this. So and so doesn't appreciate this. So and so, phuma kumuntu, phuma kubantu. Phuma kubantu. Hlala uNkulunkulu. Thandwa zami, iyazi one thing, isidalo somuntu asisoze sakwenzela anything. Phuma kubantu. Let them have opinions about you. Don't entertain it. Let them say whatever they want. Don't waste your time on it. Don't let it get into you. phuma kumuntu hlala nkulunkulu. Only God knows that the nations shall become many and they shall be blessed in your name. My God, asambeni siqhubeke sezweni likaNkulunkulu. Verse 19, which if I have chosen him that he may command his children and his household after him to keep the way of the Lord by doing righteousness and justice. I have chosen him that his children will do righteousness. We understand and lento ukuthi uNkulunkulu has chosen you, and because of you kunabantu abazophila. Wisikhethwa sezulu wena. Ngawe kunabantu ekumele impilo zabo zibe ngcono. uNkulunkulu have chosen you, my God. I have chosen you. No, we know uNkulunkulu may have rejected those, but I've chosen you. I so wish you can believe this. I am the chosen of God. Wisikhethwa sezulu. Khona into uNkulunkulu azoyivusa ngawe. Khona into uNkulunkulu azoyenza ngawe. Thandwa zami, I've said this over and over again. When God trains his own, he's ruthless. These are different levels. These are different grades. Awusekho ka first year. Awusekho ka second year. Awusekho ka standard 1. No. Awusekho la usayobhala khona no. Awusekho nala ubhala khona myself. Awusekho lapho, you've gone beyond. No lower grade, no standard grade, no higher grade. You've gone beyond. I have chosen you. That life will be born out of you. I have chosen you. Life will be born out of you. Khona abantwana bakho, khona umndeni wakho ozosizakala ngawe. No man, we know these experiences. Khona indawo ethi mufika khona kuthiwa ngwaphi isibongo, uthi ngwakagoge. Uthi kagoge, goge kephi? Bese uthi kagoge ensuze. Bese uthi khona ikhehle engangilazi la kwagoge. Kwakuyinsizwa leyo, lelo khehla kwakusibanibani. Bese uthi uyabona ke lo sibanibani umkhulu kumina. Bese kuthiwa hayi ngena Ncome, ngena Gebhu, ngena Thumbeza. Hayi ngeke woza abantu bakagoge bangenza umuntu athi ayisondela ayihlala la phansi. Kunabantu abazophila ngawo. Uyabona umndeni wakho khona izinto uNkulunkulu azoyinika zibona ngenxa yokuthembeka kwakho. Yabona, ngihlezi ngithi mina kwesinye isikhathi siphila emseni kaNkulunkulu. Siphila emkhulekweni yobaba noma yogogo nomkhulu. Sisemseni kaNkulunkulu. Uthi uNkulunkulu, I have chosen him, and many people will be blessed through him. But listen to this, verse 20. Then the Lord said, because of the outcry against Sodom and Gomorrah is so great, and their sin is very grave, I will go down to see whether they have done altogether according to the outcry that has come to me. And if not, I will know. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu amvezela zona uAbraham, athi njengoba ungibona mfana wami engiyithanda le, njoba ungibona mfana wami ngisendleleni mina kahle kahle bengiyobhubhisa iSodoma neGomora. Kahle kahle mina bengiyobheka iSodoma neGomora ngoba sengizwile ukukhala kwakho, ngoba sekungicikile ububi babo. Kodwa endleleni, yo my God, listen to this. Endleleni yobhubhisa, on my way to cause destruction, I have left a blessing. I'm not sure noma I understand and land. uNkulunkulu uthi kahle kahle mfana wami mina bengiyobhubhisa lapha, kodwa ngoba sengihlangane nawe ngase ngithi ngizohlala ngikushiyele lesi sibusiso before ngiyoqhubeka. My God, engathi uNkulunkulu bengenze njalo nakuthina namhlanje. Athi mfana wami, athi ndodakazi yami, athi mawami, athi babu wami, athi dadewethu, athi mfowethu, athi kahle kahle mina namhlanje kuseni bengivuka ngithi ngizokwenza ukuthi, kodwa ngoba sengikubonile, ngoba sengikuzwile, ngoba sengikhulumile nawe, athi ngicela ukushiya lesi sibusiso. Khona ezinye izinto soyithola ngoba, my God, listen to this, listen, write this down for me. Because you were at the right place at the right time. Khona ezinye izinto esoyithola because we were at the right place at the right time. uAbraham happens ukuthi abe ngasemnyanga abona amadoda edlula ayingayi kuyena, and kuthe ngomusa wakhe waseyawamema wathi sondelana, kanti akasazi ukuthi yena usezontshontsha isibusiso, akazi ukuthi yena usezovezelwa izinto abengakazazi. Khona lenkonzo engihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo ngithi inkonzo yokuma okhalweni, inkonzo yokuma esigangeni, inkonzo yokuma moya ongcwele athi obhala kahle, athi uyama esigangeni, athi uyama okhalweni, maqedane bese yasikhulekela. Ngifisa inkonzo yasesigangeni ngelinye ilanga, ngifisa inkonzo yasokhalweni. Ngitla sike sikhuphukeni, ngiyayibona yasentabeni, soke siye kuyona kuyasentabeni ngelinye ilanga, kodwa ngifisa ngelinye ilanga sike siye sesigangeni, sithi asambeni siyokhalweni. Engathi masiya kuleyo nkonzo yasokhalweni abantu bebengabophi inkalo zabo. Athi umpostoli Paul athi hlalani inkalo zenu ziboshiwe. Konke kuthiwa isibhamba. Bobuza inkosikazi meki noma umuntu wesifazane meqeda ukubeletha. Khona inkonzo yokuma okhalweni. Umzali khona into ayithathayo abopha ngayo ingane yakhe, ayibophele isisu, ayithiwa isibhamba, asibophe, asibuyisele emva, asibophe. Ubobuza amakhosikazi omkhuleko uma seyokhuleka kumele abophe izisu zawo khona ezokhuphukela entabeni. Thina sakhuliswa izalukwazi ezaziyibopha zinsinya, bese sithi mntanami ngisakhuleka, ngisakhuphukela uNkulunkulu. Khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu azoyenza ngelinye ilanga, inkonzo yokuma okhalweni, inkonzo yokuma esigangeni. Hlalo okhalweni ebese nibhekana naye, yo moya ongcwele, engathi besigaba okhalweni maqedane sibheke eMpumalanga ebese simemeza indaba. Inkosi sesifikile. Khona ezinye izinto Abraham ayitholile because usuke wama ukhalweni, maqedane ladlula izulu waseyalimema. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, thina kahle kahle besihamba siye eSodoma naseGomora besingezile kuwena, kodwa because sesize sakubona safumana umusa ongaka, salusa uthatha into zakho. Khona icule siliculayo sithi thatha isiphiwo sakho sinikeze, thatha into zakho. Athi khona izinto uNkulunkulu akunikeze zona, athi uNkulunkulu angikwazi ukubuyela emuva nazo. My God, abantu aba understand, yasikhona izinto uNkulunkulu athe zakho. ngike ngakhuluma ngoSawuli noPawuli athi uNkulunkulu it's meant for him. Athi omunye bani Nkosi lo muntu ubulala ibandla, athi uNkulunkulu ngiyamazi mina ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzoyidinga lento ngoba vele isabelo sakhe. Khona izinto zakho whether isekuseni noma isemini noma intambama, whether uyakhala noma wenzani, athi uNkulunkulu ngiyibekele usibanibani. Wahlala nesalukwazi sithi hayibo uyibekeni leyo nto ngibekele usibanibani. Hayibo ma iyoziyonakale leyo, athi ngimbekele uzobuya. Hayibo ma lo waduka neintaba, athi size shona isalukwazi. Abuye umntwana athi wena ugogo noma uma wakubekela lokho wathi okwakho. Khona izinto zakho ethandwa zami, uyathanda uthande, akekho yokuphuca zona ngoba ziyisabelo owasinikwa uNkulunkulu. Khona izinto kwezakho nje kuphela and kumele uku-accept lokho ukuthi nalokho uNkulunkulu kunike kona. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu uthi ngikuzwile ukukhala, balalela lenkonzo sengiyaphuma, lalela lenkonzo yokugcina sesiyaqeda. The men have turned against me, but awugijime uye ku-Abraham. U-Abraham uyaqala ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu. In verse 23 uthi u-Abraham, will you indeed sweep away the righteous with the wicked? Suppose there are 50 righteous men in the city. Will you destroy everything? Athi uNkulunkulu, if I find them, I will not. Bukano Abraham, khona lento abantu abangayiboni. Uthe memphelezela uNkulunkulu wasemxoxela into ayoyenza. For the first time ever, Abraham becomes a prophet. He becomes a priest. And his kingship becomes very important. He pleads for the people. Uyabakhalela, uyabanxusela. Ungathi wena ngoba nakho usu right, unamandla uku-influence ukushintsha impilo zabantu zibe ngcono bese uyabakhohlwa. Ungathi ngoba nakho uhlala etafuleni elijuza ubisi noju ebese uyabakhohlwa ubacindezele abaxakekile. Ngingathi mase ngi-right empilweni ebese ngiyabacindezela abanye abantu. To Abraham nonkosi, uma kwenzeka sangabasiza yini? Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.